really just wanna see you. Oh, Chongqing. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Skyscrapers touch the sky so blue. Neon lights and city hues. Mountains and buildings all around. Just don't look down. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Neon light glows, the river flows. In this city, life just grows from the views we see. Chongqing, wild and free. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Show me, show me, Chongqing. Chongqing, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Oh, show me, Chongqing. Skyscrapers touch the sky so blue. Neon lights and city hues. Mountains and buildings all around. Just don't look down. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Show me, show me, Chongqing. Chongqing. Just show me, Chongqing. Won't you show me, Chongqing?
Okay, so we're in Chongqing and just kind of saw this guitar and the lights are coming on, and we're gonna just walk down the street and just get a feel for Chongqing, especially as the evening lights come on, because it's really kind of pretty. And there's a lot of stuff happening everywhere on the street scene level anyways. And just to kind of give you a little idea, let me just see. Those are some of the directions that we could go. And just kind of give you an idea too, like you can also go uphill, downhill, all kinds of places. But we're gonna go that way. So stay tuned. Okay, Chongqing. This is called Linjiang. So another little slice of Chongqing for you, so you can get a better view of it. So I put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. I'm also letting you know too that we're getting near the last 7 or 8 videos of the Chongqing series, which is 39 videos total. So you can still like and subscribe it as well. The music is made out of AI, so I'm gonna put the lyrics right there. I had fun creating that, by the way. And without further ado, I know you don't want to listen to me talk about it. You just want to see the street for yourself. Let's go check it out. Linjiang in Chongqing. Yeah, the lighting is just about right. So we're gonna walk all the way down that direction. But it's actually kind of cool too, because you got different directions you could go. And you kind of have like hillside stuff, and you got uphill, downhill, all the different directions. So we're gonna just meander down this direction for a while, see what we can see, capture some of this up-down experience stuff. I think that goes down like a few stories. And we're kind of meandering around. I think it doesn't really matter which way we go, because I'm just kind of trying to get some good scenery while the lights coming on. And if we go left or right, it's all good. Actually, I think we're going to go to the right, because that looks kind of interesting and appealing over here. The lights are all coming down as well. We got like Chongqing hot pot over there. We just kind of see what's all down there. So I think that looks like a little bit of a dead end. Huh. But just like check out the lighting though. I mean, and just also just like the depth of like coolness everywhere. Like you have an art statue up on top there. You got like a little cafe up at the top. You have food choice options, hot pot. So we're just gonna kind of meander around with this nice lighting. Looks like we also have an entrance to a train station, which is kind of good information. You can just kind of see where we are exactly. Lianfiang. Smells really good. Looks like some good smelling food here in Chongqing. Looks like we got a density of people coming this way. We'll have to get some. Man, it's like just the smell of the food. It smells so good. Like it smells kind of like a soup, like a. I'm not gonna say tomato soup because it's not tomato, but it tastes like some kind of something like that. Like just like nice warm. Oh, that's like a big. They had like a big giant hot pot thing right there in the middle. So sometimes they'll have that. They'll have it like the hot pot stuff in it. Let's see. Kind of getting hungry. That looks pretty tasty. That beef looks really tasty. I'd love to get it with rice though. So I'm gonna keep on meandering. We'll kind of show you where we are. Let's see. Okay, so I guess we're gonna just keep on wandering this way. Looks like we got a lot of people down this way anyways. And I think we're... It's a daily newspaper. I guess there's a historical building right here. So that building right there is the Jinhua daily newspaper. So one of the first newspapers in China. Free entry. So it's also a museum as well, but it's closed at the moment. And they got some more information about it as well. 1939. Blown up by the Japanese, okay. And we are going to keep on going down and across. We're gonna go down this way. Looks pretty cool. Got lots of people over here. The lighting is just about perfect. Let me just kind of capture this whole spot. Yeah, the lighting is just about perfect. Man, it smells too. The smell of the food in this city is amazing. Check out that little hot pot spot. It's kind of cool. You got restaurants above and below, right? I'm just gonna keep on meandering down. Let's see. Looks like kind of a milk tea. Kind of checking out the food now. Hello. So I don't know if I'm going to keep on going all the way down or not. I kind of feel like I should be going in the other direction. Oh, actually I want to go down that way. So I guess what we're gonna do is just keep on going down this way. And I think I'm gonna go down to the end of the street and I'm gonna try to figure out a way to go to the left. And anyways, we're just kind of showing all the cool stuff around here anyways. Noodle restaurant. That looks really tasty. Oh, I've been wanting to come back to here. This is St. Joseph's Church. I didn't expect I was going to be here right now. So I'm going to do a whole separate video with this one. So this is actually Yaksulang, Joseph's Church. And there's another reference over there as well. That's funny. This is Linjiang Road. So actually I was walking in Linjiang Road, I didn't even know it. I stayed here my first night. I stayed not too far from here. So we're gonna do a whole separate video where we do that church. So we're gonna end it for what I think is Linjiang Road. Hope you like that. A little slice of Chongqing for you.
Hey, hey, Chongqing, hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me.